Footah. And the whole on the big pussy girl come out blood clot on the hand and post her off go suck on no mama. No for the one see on beside cartel. Cartel and my dad's go suck on no mama. Again and again and again. Someone now fuck some fronzy man. When not even can look like blood clot cartel. All when him blood clot sick and him 2 year pole pot who could have never walk in the dance shoes and in a my dance shoes. Stepfather to the world go suck on no mama. Stepfather do him for do. Every time stepfather money spend, it's he and it's spent pan. Uvex, suck your mother. Blood clot. Come on, blood clot early. Said you think you can bring me down? I'm writing a song for you, pussy. Me a Gemini, me a mad blood clot girl. You don't know nothing about me, pussy. I'm afraid of him, I'm afraid of no big pussy and big cocky and sub cocky and lick out germs, boy. I'm foreign a day where the whole I freak them they run every day. You fuck man like dog. Remember me go call ice man, you so good Footah. Better you come back to Jamaica while you land at Mobile airport because we go beat out your blood clot. Make sure when you land at Mobile airport, make sure your location turn off, batty boy, because you have to come back to Jamaica. Remember down here you're born. You come and hype up a foreign like you're somebody. Are you somebody? Move your stink blood clot. Nobody want the way you're there. You're not even nowhere. No blood clot weird. Don't see blood clot puss that is better than you. Batty boy. You're smuddy dog. You're smuddy. Sour pussy Footah. Big pussy girl. Yeah, trace me because you're a big pussy girl. Your pussy bigger than mine. Big, big, big. Your pussy big. Me know. Footah can't trace me. I done in a tracing. Go suck your mother. Me don't talk. Your house full of cockroaches and blood clot. Go clean out the house of cassava peas. You can't chat to me. Eh? I be a rubbish in your house up there. Go blood clot. Take care of Adori. Batty man. Blood clot. You think I'm me alone you eat? You eat the whole of your baby mother them. Because your mother stab you up when you're youth. Your mother beat you left right and blood clot center and never like you. Your mama not like you. And blood clot Scorpion no like you. Doreen and Scorpion don't like you. You're deaf? When Doreen and Scorpion war and them put in the middle and say take up the 2 blood clot big stone them and remember the 2 of them say pass the big stone make we lick one another. You don't know which one of them figure the blood clot big stone so them licking your blood clot. Where? See me around with you, suck your mother. My blood clot chat to my pitney. You're out of that. Who is you if you talk to my daughter? My daughter Costa Rican. Them are Costa Rican and you see how she write English good as smart, them smart. I don't think you can write like them. And them don't speak English. Be a Spanish them speak. Gente. Where puta chupalo. Chupame culo. Chupame where puta mira me. I have a blood clot song for you. And I have to get paid for because your talk is cheap, bro. Fuck you. Don't do that. Don't blood clot boy yeah come I post me that about ancestors. Fuck you and your fucking ancestors, batty man. Tell the ancestors to give you some blood clot paper and a green card because them are going to ship you down here and send you down here like blood clot deportee. Suck yourself. You have nothing in Jamaica broke pocket Footah. Blood clot. Remember say you breed flex woman, I want flex man, I want the man them run where they run flex them beat. So you think you can go cassava piece? Remember you fuck Tanya. Remember Tanya and me war over here in a batty man. Remember that you know. You come and go on and a go on and a go on and a go on and a go on like a one fuck you give me. You live in a hole. Batty boy. Me sorry me fuck you. The only thing I'm glad for my son, so good. More the whole of my basis me I done you. Done out Footah, long lily tongue, big tongue Footah. So when you talk your tongue can't lift up. Eh? You stink no blood clot, boy. You come and talk about me. About jacket. First of all, you saw me on the roof and come look me big cock, big done out cock boy. So good boy. Me did up on the roof with my friend. Having a nice time. And you come and you look me with your one shoes blood clot self. I'm still did like you with your one shoes, one Reebok for your foot. None of my friends them never like you because I used to walk and jam out a blood clot club. Remember a good relationship we did have so good Footah. I mean the longest relationship Aisha and you ever get. Come on, bro. You wasn't evil like this. You're going to get smart now when you not have nothing. We all know you're broke. We all know you don't have shit. We all know all they do is hop from state to state and take those niggas' money and don't want to do any blood clot. Sure, you know I'm playing a song. Eh? Who the fuck is you, so good Footah? Come on, man. LGBTQ, I pray y'all continue to write up the paper, make them ship him down here quick and fast, no man. Do the do, no man. Remember say the transmission, them a look fair, you know, bro. Remember say run far, no, cause Peter King friend them want fuck out your hole, you know, bro. Eh? You love watchman, cocky and boss. Don't talk to me that I come here report you. Remember, Costa Rican, them not play with them pitney. Don't make me report you. Don't talk to my daughter again. My daughter is underage. So good, and don't post that because you're out of order. You block me, but it reach me though. Everybody send it to me saying, oh, you talk up to my daughter. When since? Who authorize it? Talk to me no man. My daughter vex because she see me have money and I give my son the money. Because you so good, nah, give me son the money so me have to mind my son. See come out there to pass. Yeah, contradict your so good self. Remember say you said my baby father put me out and put on my son and my daughter come tell you say my baby father never put me out yet and my baby father never run me out and my son say want to know his father. Me tell my baby father say if he want he can do a DNA and I told you if you want he can do a DNA and you say you don't need the blood clot DNA, say allow that to me. You remember so good? You remember? Move your stick blood clot. You took your mouth corner white right, go clean out your mouth corner. Nyam fuck boy. What the Footah man? Footah me are the only baby mother I got toe to toe with you. I'm a fucking Gemini. I can give it to you raw, hungry belly Footah. Remember a barber shop I used to sit down in Miami? You're smarty. You know nobody, bro. You know nobody, me there come out here just to tell you about your blood clot, mama, your poop and the whole down. Move your blood clot, nobody don't want their last name. Across his family that way. Move your blood clot. The way me eat to me never want to give you Ian. Me never want to get, I know the man still want Ian. Me a good girl, the man want Ian. I mean if you tell him say no. It's not your child. So nobody thinks that Ian unwanted so good. Move your blood clot. You say a fool. Boy, your blood clot I post my daughter. My daughter is 17 years old. Who give your consent? Who give your consent to close your look? I want Trump hold them. I say I go report it to ICE. I know which part you play your weekend. Make sure you walk with all your documents. Walk with the documents so good, because you see me free. Watch me can walk at Jamaica. No police now look for me. I police to my friend. Me not no problem, me not no money problem. My alright, so Jamaica say I'm clean. Me look hungry? Eh? Footah your germs, baby germs that kill you. Right, boy, you post my daughter. You stink no blood clot. Nobody could. You know much people tell me say no done. You have to come back over. You suck your mother again and again and again and again and again. Batty boy. That me say. Move your blood clot. You know nothing about me. All they know say me agree. Why you? Tell you own him up and you post him up. Are you post him so good boy? Are you take your son? Are you take him and send him for holidays? Are you send Oshan down here to spend time with him? Are you put him around your family? Are you send FEMA and make him their cassava piece? Are you authorize that say if you never believe of your son with the blood clot your hands and gloves up, my pick the far? Nobody happy if you have your my son go a blood clot cassava piece. Look why I say a piece in him have to piece in a bucket. Suck sodomite. No blood clot water and running in your house a cassava piece. I have to say herb and come here and may catch germs. No running water, no internet. Yeah, somebody, bro. Nobody, bro. Don't do it. People might laugh at me. Don't do it. Footah, don't do it, Footah. Don't do it. I watch Adi house nice and clean, water running in the house. No water in the house a cassava piece. And number 2, Scorpion, nah put your name on no blood clot long title. You know nothing done here. You don't want nothing done here. Not even pitney them a feel. Move your nasty fuck out. You don't want no pitney down here. You don't want nothing big germs. You come and hype on internet like you're somebody. Everybody can turn on them phone, you know. Sure. Everybody can turn on them phone. But in a real blood clot life, who knows about you? Come out and my daughter DM's pedophile, batty boy. You hear me, I want you. Come out and my daughter DM's, bro. Me never did that answer you back, you know, because me I get too much highlights. Come out and my daughter DM's. Come out and my daughter DM's. She's a child. She's 17. She's not in Jamaica. My kids are Costa Rican. My daughter don't tell us that the baby, look how nice clean me, which baby father go took my own baby. And me left him. Them father and me shafarin, and me you want blood clot send money go give them and them, alright? Me have to give Ian and nobody. Ian and nobody. Me have to give Ian. Because Ian not have you not send no money come down here. So I have to take the whole of my little shillings and send it to my son. My son live in a Christian home, batty boy. My son no live amongst no mongrel and dog shit. My son go to church. You hear that? My daughter vex because she say, yo, Ian, if you look on it if you don't hear, she say, I lie, me I tell you, me nah no money. And Ian get the whole of the money. You give Ian nothing so good. You come and gladly post. Me don't tell me give Ian the whole of the money. What me for do next? Where you go to name me? Me give my son the whole of the blood clot money. A deaf, so good, that mean nobody that do nothing. Deadbeats. Deadbeats, so good, boy. You find time go. Where your Valentine Day? Where your blood clot Valentine Day? You come a blood clot post early today. You now have no blood clot, girl. And man, you have a transmission you have. And you have to hide and fuck that. You can't accompany me there with a girl. You can't accompany me there with a girl. Can't no man. No girl in have so good Footah. Never have a girl that a be a man you post with. About 1 million man you post for your page from blood clot January. You know you love man till you're blue. You know like woman. I mean you come for. I mean you come out. I mean good pussy me. Look at me. You can't. Or if you look at me and cuss me. Or if you look at me, look how me nice. Batty boy. Look how me nice. You really want to trace a woman? Bro, how would you win? Long tongue pussy, big pussy Footah. How you gonna win me? Me a woman, you really come at me? Me your baby mother. You own the youth. You say no one a blood clot DNA, so good Footah. You say just want to change him last name. I'm gonna come out of it. So I'm gonna come out of it. You own up my son, cause I'm nice and clean. Remember good no man? Remember say I be watch my pussy. Me no want your Footah. Me don't want your hood dead. Me don't want you. And that make you eat me because I go tell you plain and straight say you're cocky dead, diabetic, pussy wall, insulin them and near out the sperms out of your cocky. Your balls now no pitney left in there. The last pitney get a adore. So cool. Then I say maga. When you go over Facebook, it's when you go over blood clot Facebook, look under the post so you see him and him father, how him family had done him. You think I'm me alone at him? Footah go away, I go lift you up. You go come down here with 2 underpants, 1 blood clot pair of socks. You hear that? You know I'm not in Jamaica, bro. When you're there foreign, I make money, I have 2 containers down here, 2 wholesale and a blood clot car wash. You can chat to me and make me feel proud of you. You itch up in the car every day. But yeah, show motel. Down to blood clot, the whole ear and be down a blood clot, Agli Park Road. We don't have whispers up better than your blood clot motel. Move your blood clots. You can't chat to we. Don't have whispers up better than your ugly motel. Nobody down here no frightened for foreign. Jamaica look like foreign no blood clots. Move. More something to drink. Cause me can't cause fan dry mouth. Money have to run. One splash water. One cold one. Or either one can water. Where we there? My knife, come out here just a blood clot part of a tell big pussy long tongue Footah. You come kiss out my fat front. Who the fuck is you? You're smarty man? Sure. Me just shame on you sometime. Right now, I'm sorry for you, you know. Me I done it, I'm sorry for your Footah. I'm sorry for your blood clot. Wish man I have a nice baby mother. Look for me and cuss her. You know, I'm going to say my baby mother, you're pretty. Yeah, give me. My pretty baby mother. Bro, I'm going to say baby mother pretty. Lord, don't know follow her. You look a stink blood clot, boy, you come and post my daughter. My daughter is 17, bro. Watch the fuck what you're doing. I spoke to her father this morning, and her father said, Him no know nothing what go on because him dey on the road, bro. Thanks. Him dey on the road. You come and post my daughter without my consent. You're a suck pussy boy, man. You know, she say pass your place. And me I try bring down the girl talk the truth. She say, Mom, always giving Ian the whole of the money. Hence, you know what that mean? Uno no fool from my life. The whole of uno people from my life are no idiot. If me give Ian the whole of the money, that means a Footah not give me no money, though. That means Footah not give me no money. That goes to show Footah not give me no money. So every little dime I get, every little mickle, I have to give it to my son. When them ask for money, first thing I say to them, listen to me now, my son have college fee and it's expensive. Me can't send no money come do no. Them father and me share foreign too. So when they fuck me, I go send money go foreign, go give them, and them alright down Ian. Ian not nobody but Aisha. Ian not nobody but me, the mother that cares for him and love him to death. Him say me not for call him name. Him beg me mommy not call him name. But my son, me love him and me take care of him. Me no care about Footah enough time. I tell him say don't beg Footah no money. Please no beg him nothing. Me beg him. Me say no beg Footah baby, don't beg Footah. You know see my son don't favor him. My son only have little looks, but I me my son favor. Cute. I don't want my son look like. Look how him. You know see Aisha and pick him out heavy because him get Footah out. Me glad my son to get that big heavy tongue there. Eh? My mother and my father used to beat me and say make sure say you not breed for that boy there. Go out mouth them have. And me end up breed for him. Workless Footah. Workless man. Don't have a bed of foreign. You don't have a bed of foreign. You know, me never see you walk one car garage. You know, see when Cartel their friend, bro. Cartel go in at the blood clot yard and him walk in car porch automatic and walk in where you live motel. Whispers of foreign live. The next Whispers branch of foreign live. Whispers they live a foreign. You not live no life. All they do is act like Lisa I Mary. And blood clot take picture beside a car and people Benz and people Bentley. Yeah, somebody, bro. You act just like Lisa. I think the two of them go check in our ward together. Because she alone turn up beside car. Yeah, follow the train. Go buy a blood clot car. Go buy a bed. Do something now. Come out from my son and go find. Take a little time and go buy one bed and pack a barrel. Come here, brother down here. And your sister will run with the 800 blood clot thousand. You think me run with the money so good? Stay tuned, man. I have a blood clot song for boss. You come and talk about Addy this. Addy never fuck me yet. And me no want to fuck Addy. Never. Addy, I'm a friend. My friend. So no come hype up on the look of stink self, bro. When the things I'm a friend for people, ask Addy, me come around them, I'm left and go me yard. And I say, yo, that's not my rolling, so I'm move on. You see my friend, be not frightened. I know the suck pussy girl and haters and blood clot backbiter and the Footah post but now green teeth. When it comes suck me better than you know.
Footah you lose.
Footah lose. Footah lose. Good pussy me ask Cartel about me, ask anybody about me at Gala Road. Born star from morning. Don't have no problem with life. Don't have no man problem. Never have a man problem. Come and talk like, but hear him now, my baby father put me out. My baby father beg me to come back at foreign. And me left my baby father, come. My baby father now move how me want him to move. My baby father buy me a car at foreign and I left that and come home. Fuck no, no. Pussy good. Me not no man problem. Yeah? Ask my baby father about me. Me a real hustler. Me there around here, you know blood clot shatter, you know go on with nothing. Me I go find my own car, me I go hustle feed. Me don't for bag of have money in that. You think me there in the house to cock up and take care of Pitney? Me have to make sure money and run. Remember me tell you that. No come tell me about man a beat me and rape. No, the little girl said no, that's a lie. Daddy don't beat her and daddy never put her out. You know to say you tell a big lie this so you tell a big dirty fronty lie like your fronty blood clot balls. You tell a lie. Me tell a lie. You tell a blood clot lie. Take down the little girl picture so good and take down her blood clot post because first of all she's telling the truth. She said Mom did not get no put out. So no you say me get put out, nyam fuck. Now that you say. You say me get put out. With a little stink self. Eh? Now make me for real up blood clots. Hold on, no man. Watch how me go fuck him up. Tell your boy your blood clot again. Don't fuck with a killer. Say me I try find the blood clot picture. Picture no they are front, you know, no they up front, you know, but me I go search the picture with patience. Patience. Watch. Patience. Cause me never blood clots in Footah. Footah me never see you, bro. Oh, come at Jamaica, you're running, you know. You're running in the blood clot. I never see you. So good. Watch me. Where are you? Blood clot. I go like you're smaddy. And nobody, bro. Nobody come at me and make sure blood clot come at me good next time. But ancestors. My ancestors say me for cause. Your ancestors don't like you. Fucking idiots. Hold on, no man. Hold on, no man. Look at me, see a picture. I look for it yesterday, I never find it. See, I find it again. Lord, my son out of your life, man. Get away, Croft. Croft out. Laba laba lashi lashi blood clots.
Laba laba and the one. Oh, yeah, talk. Oh, you come here. Yo.
Someone blood clot find the pussy clot something, you know, man. Father God, why me cannot find it, bro? Me say me want find the picture, me go post the picture. Just me not like the post, me love the pan live. Me love the pan live. Me love telling on my mind. Me not like the posting thing. Me love the pan live. Footah, you're a waste man, bro. Footah, remember, you know, when I come from foreigner, you first call on my phone. Isha, where you there? Isha, where you there? Isha, you not, me not see you. And come carry me go your rubbish house. No water in your house and already is leave. You look a waste, man. Be a rubbish in your car that live like a blood clot junkie. Boy, your blood clot come and post my daughter. Don't do it, so good boy. Don't do it. Your blood clot. You think say you win. You think say you go ball through the girl attack. You're contradicting yourself. Yes, I gave all of the money to Ian, my son. Because he need the money more than them father and me foreign. So why you don't want me send the whole of the money go give them and their father have money? That no make no sense to me. I have to give to the one that's not getting enough, which is Ian. So Footah now give me. So I have to take everything and give to him because him have to get it. Me can't give them because them father have money, them father have mish. Him right about that. Me love me there with the top man them and the money man them. Yes. Him father or them father has money in foreign and them no born here, them are Spanish, a foreign them born. Them father have money, me can't take the money. When me figure Ian down here when I no father, figure him no money. Yeah man, him eat the buff man. I want to report my life. Me did show the back a while ago. But anyways, who this song come from my life? When you don't send me no request because me and you never lie down and make the blood clot pick me. But time I want to send me a request over here, I done him and them sour balls blood clot. I go send him a hell. I send him right in the gully a cassava piece. You know in the gully a cassava piece big and stink, not even road the cassava piece. Watch out, road there you say no? Road. See road there? Road there so see road there. And cassava piece don't look so. Cassava piece don't have road. Cassava piece now no blood clot pavement to be a blood clot rock. And that him a fight over. And that you fight over, bro. No road in there cassava piece. Nobody want to live a cassava piece. Internet man them can't go a cassava piece, go install no internet. Stop one like you're smart, you know, bro. You're a low motherfucking life that bounty killer. See and help. Not even alliance. You can't go back to alliance. You can't go back to nobody. You're just a big deadbeat waste low life motherfucking stunts. Come for me. I'm ready for you. Me have a whole heap. forgive you, cause me don't care. What you mean? I'm a mad blood clot, girl. I'm wrong when you touch, cause Adori nah get no money from you. Tell the people them. Say you tell Adori mother say she gonna be a single mother for 2 years because you don't want, she not send the documents to you for your help her. And because you are fugitive of foreign, them say them not send no papers to you because it gonna affect her status. So good. Nobody want marry their foreign. You know, say no woman not marry you. Which man they are foreign 8 years and nobody no want marry you. You know one green card big pussy boy. Who the blood? How you go and find for one blood clot bench and look for a building and take picture beside car. Look how much car there Jamaica think none of our friend go get your papers straight, man. Look for your papers and leave me alone. The people them have them papers, them are foreign and them can fly go all over the world, them have blue book. You need to straighten your papers, get yourself together. What's one? 40 days and 40 blood clot nights at the Footah. 40 days and 40 nights. Pull up something, man. Do something, man. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué lo que? ¿Qué lo que quieres? ¿Eh?
All the camera.
Why? My manager. My manager said for all the camera good because girl I'm no cracks, no wrinkle. Footah, you're just an hater. I don't want you. None of us wants you. Yeah, Aishana gone. Aishana is beautiful. She gone left you. Me gone left you. You just can't hold a woman, big long cocky man when have no gripper, no grimble in your cock. Your cat dead. Nobody wants you. Kitty pussy, I'm not in a bag for you. Not in a bag for you, papi. Yeah, man, me get it all off of my chest now. Don't talk to my daughter, bro. Don't do that. My daughter is a child. She's a child. She is a child. Don't do that. If I did a post a big girl now, it would have bad enough. But she's a child, bro. You cannot post a child. You're dumb. Are you retarded? Or your ancestors to tell you to post my little child? Your ancestors are fucking perverts. Or either them a pedophile. Your ancestors are leading you astray. Why would your ancestors tell to fuck with Asia's child? Dumb fuck, motherfucking sons, you slime, motherfucking bucket waste, walkless man, laba, lashy, sit on my foreign and watch man batty, me I go lego the tune for you. Wait till I got studio, so good Footah. I say I could have beat my pussy, but my son nice. I can't beat my pussy because my son nice. My son sweet. My son beg me say, mommy please no call me name. My son not used to internet. My son not used to kora, baga and germs. Yeah, germs, slime bucket and dog shit. Don't associate me say. Don't make me have to call Costa Rican authorities and ice for you. Don't make me have to put in the law in this. Because you should never post on my daughter say. Because she's only telling you the truth. She says, Mom, take some money and give it to Ian. Because Ian's deadbeat dad, O'Neil Thomas, is not giving Ian anything. So I have to do the do. Don't tell nobody say you're paying a school fee for Ian. So why am I come over here, cause I saw me love problem. I like, who is you? I'm just tired of you, that's why I come over here. Because be a promises you give my son, bro. You're a deadbeat. But you're there in a star paper. You're smarty. Are you somebody? You're smarty, man. Not even Nicki Minaj want to know you. Don't to blood clot Derek Morgan bigger than you. Don't to Rosalie better than you. You're nobody. You're not nobody, bro. You not carry no status, you not carry nothing, you not have nothing for show in a life, say, yeah, Footah hype. If you drop off a map tomorrow, nobody miss you. Because we don't want to hear about you, Footah. Which one better for call him? Which one I name better for call him? Which one? Footah or Footah? Footah. I'm a cheerleader, them, you notice I'm a crowd. Yeah, the gunshot affair for your batty boy. Come down here. That's what you do. Take a plane, buy a ticket and come and show say you're a star. You're not star, bro. You there foreign for 8 or add years, sit down. Nah, do not. Remember, you know, when you meet Ian in a fly out in a batty man. So now come tell people them the blood clot like so good. Remember, say me and you did there when me just come back from Costa Rica. Me first you call you carry me go already in your house. And you say you want to know Ian, and Ian fly down. And that little girl step on the blood clot post. She's not lying. Ian come down after me, so good. And when Ian come down, you met Ian and then you fly out and gonna foreign and come back. So no my fault no DNA no do, and no my fault saying no Ian you run you gonna foreign, gonna look man. Because no man don't you no want you them a shoot you. You feel comfortable in the Batman zone. You can't ramp with me, bro. You can't ramp with me, though. Yeah, him love man till him blow. Cock up in a beanie man with jet. Yeah, beanie man that jet. Cock up with big batty boy. You see, you and P. Diddy can par. Baby oil crew. Wipe with baby oil and swipe and strike your hair. You are a fucking baby oil crew. You and P. Diddy can par. You and blood clot R. Kelly can par. Fuck with me, batty boy. Boy, you blood clot. Take down my daughter post and let me tell you. My daughter not say nothing wrong. She not said nothing wrong, batty man. My daughter does vex me because I nah give them my money. I give Ian my money. Them father mish. Where you want me if you do? Take the money and give them and them they are foreign them born, you know. Them passport carry them go to whole of Europe, Canada, anywhere them want go. Them are not Jamaican. Una talk like the people them live down here. My people them not suffering. The people them live a foreign, bro. Them not born here. Them born a foreign. Ian alone have a Jamaican book. Ian left here when he was 6 months old. My son left here at 6 months old. And him not come back to Jamaica until he was 12. So I suck him, you know the little boy so good. And stop blood clot, mix and turn things and talk straight. You look a lean man. Your blood clots, talk facts man, and not fuck with me. You hear me a buffalo and stuff, I'm gonna tell lie. I'm not alone a hyper fight, but through your drum. Oh, me did that avoid out, you know, because them a beg me to low you, you know. Because you're nobody, you know, they give you no more fame, they give you no more clothes. Yeah, no man, 1 more minute. Then tell me say, don't give you no clothes, and me say, me not give you no clothes, but you come back again. Yes. So good Footah. All my officer to you take down my daughter things you're too enough. I'm a nice chat, but dig up your mama and suck her out. You're too enough. I don't like you. Because if you go come trace that woman, you're a batty boy. Big batty boy. What